Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Canva for creating branded video templates, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type www.canva.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the Canva homepage loads, locate the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will see several options to register. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. If you choose to register with email, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that you'll remember and enter it in the password field. After filling in your details, click the Get Started button. If you opted for Google or Facebook, click on the respective button and follow the prompts to authorize access. Once registered, check your email for a confirmation message from Canva. If you registered with your email, open the confirmation email and click on the link to verify your account. After verification, return to Canva and log in with your credentials. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to your Canva dashboard. To create branded video templates, click on the Create a Design button. In the design options, type video in the search bar for specific video templates. Browse through the array of video templates available to find one that suits your brand. Click on a template to open it in the editor. You can now customize the template by adding your brand's colors, fonts, and logos. Use the editing tools on the left side to modify text, images, and elements. Once you're satisfied with your branded video template, click the Download button in the top right corner to save your work. Select your preferred file format, then click Download again. Your branded video template is now ready for use. You can find it in your downloads or within your Canva account under your designs. With these steps, you are all set to create stunning video content with Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.